Um, alright, what is up, guys? I have not traded in 20 days, I think, around there. I haven't traded since the 7th, January 7th. It's the 21st. That's more than 20 days, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I might be autistic, but it doesn't matter. Don't calculate it. This is what's happened to me for the past couple weeks. I'm gonna just kind of go into depth, talk about it. Just, I need to say it because I feel like I'm not really changing what has been happening, and I need to. So I'm just gonna say it out loud, and maybe this will help. But yeah. So today, we'll start with today. For instance, what was today? The 21st. MNQ New York Sesh daily bias was bearish at first. I switched it to bullish though, because we swept all this. And I was looking for re-entries, and so first of all, let's see this. So this blue box is a what 15-minute fair value gap. So I can just delete this, but actually no, I'll keep it so you guys can see what I was thinking. So I saw our sesh in a uptrend, New York sesh. It was just coming down, some retracement right here up, and we came up and we started a little like downward, maybe just move back. And sorry, I can't really think of my words. But we went down, we made this fair value gap here on the 15-minute. And I'm like, alright, let's wait till price comes down. It starts moving up. I'm like, hopefully price can come down into this zone. So I look on the 5-minute. I'm like, oh wait, there's an order block right here. Maybe we can just wait for that. But there was this one trade that, alright, here, where is it? I think it was on the 7th. Literally okay, when I was on the 7th. Because here, sorry, I just need to go back. So I remember on this day, on the 7th, see I like going up and down a bunch, and it came down all the way to here. But this is 15-minute fair value gap right here, equilibrium. But here is this is my first trade with like real currency, 'cause I have a broker, NinjaTrader. So I saw it come down right into the 15-minute fair value gap, but I didn't like enter off of it, and I waited till it came up and then went into like a smaller confluence. And then I remember I stopped out immediately right here, and then it came up and hit all my take profits. So I didn't want that to happen to me again. So today, I literally didn't want to take that. Wait, is this even today? This is not today. What the hell? Oh yeah, I forgot the 1% gap. Crazy. Where the hell is today? Oh my god, my chart is so bad. Alright, but I see it come down, and alright, let me go here. See this little wick right here? This wick, so it was red during this wick, so it came all the way down, hit this order block. I'm like, alright, I see it's hitting the order block. Let's go down to the 1 minute and see what's happening down there. The fuck? Where's my chart, yo? There it is. I hate when I do that. Why do I keep doing that? But so yeah, it comes down into this order block. See the red line is the top of the 5-minute order block. Comes down, comes into it. Boom. We see it reject off of it, break structure to the upside. Boom, boom, off this stick. And I was going to enter off of this at first. I'm like, alright, let's enter off of this. It looks really good. But then I'm like, I'm like remembering that my old trade when I did something like this, because when I traded I entered off of this order block, like an order block similar to this, and then right after it pushed all the way down into this bigger order block right here, fair value gap, and then went up. So I kind of was, let's say I was scared, my emotions took over, I didn't enter off of it, so no trade today. So this will not be in the trading recap stuff. But yeah, I didn't do a trade today. I wanted it to come down here, it didn't. And yeah, but I'm gonna try to not like I just like I need to start entering off of my trades. Like I haven't been entering off of them. I'm just like Loki just pissed me off. I'm like not entering when I see my confluences. I've been doing this for like what 2 weeks almost. I've haven't even like it's just been horrible. Alright. So let me go over to here. I have another trade. Here's another thing that happened here. On the what was it? The 16th. This was another trade. Let me see what I wrote. Okay. So we see it come down. So look at this. Oh my god, I'm actually so pissed off I didn't take this trade. So look, came, order block was made. We pushed low. We came all the way back up, pushed up, hit into the order block, and I'm like, alright, I'm getting ready to enter off of this. I'm like, alright, I'm gonna enter off of this. So look, this is what I did. It's actually such bullshit. Where is it? Right here. It's fine. I mean, it's all in the past. I'm just saying what I did wrong and what I could have done better. So, look, I see it coming up into this order block. And I get my order ready, right? Like, I go like this. I put the short down. And I press this button, right? To do whatever. Damn, 7 units. But, yeah, so I did that. Alright? But, I put it up here a little bit. Because I wanted it to come up to here. Or something like that. I don't even remember. I think I just wanted to, like, come up here. And reject off of something up here. I don't even remember. I just wanted to do that so I could have like a better stop loss. So I wouldn't lose as much if I did lose. And then, you know, just whatever. Better take profit. So I want it to be up here. So instead I wanted to wait till it came up into the thing. I had my order set and I was going to enter. Boom, right when it hit into it. But instead, it did this. Boom, and went down. So I didn't do a trade on that day. It like went down super fast too. Like it didn't just like slowly go down. It went like boom, 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 and then just stayed down here. So I'm like, all right, I'm not. It's too low now. There's no point in entering. And then finally, another day, the 9th. Is this the 9th? This day was actually a pretty. Wait, let me see. Wait, this is low-key a good ass day. The 15-minute fair value gap there. That's pretty good actually. This is a good day. For trading. I missed it. This day, I was like, I don't know. I'm actually pissed off though. I didn't get up to my alarm. I didn't run in the morning to wake myself up and I went back to bed and lied to myself. Said that my leg hurt. So I didn't even enter the markets on this day. And then as you guys maybe know, I never trade on Tuesdays or Thursdays because I have sports and I play hockey on those days. Oopsie, pressed the wrong button. I have sports on Tuesday, Thursday, so I can't even trade on those days. Like in the morning, not like that's why. Like it's in the morning. It's 6. My hockey practice starts and market opens at 6:30 and ends at 7, and I don't get home till 7:30. So that's an hour just gone from the charts, you know? And my trading hours is 6:30 to 8, an hour 30 minutes on the chart. So I would only have like 30 minutes. I look at the market, but I just never take trades. Like what Tuesday I think I went on the market. Where is it? Here. And I entered like it was like here when I looked at it. See like 1040. And I saw it coming down. And I kind of just watched it hit. I'm like, dude, this would be an awesome trade. I could have entered it, but you know, I'm just like I'm scared, you know, that's the problem with me. I need to, and I'm not even like, I'm just being scared, and I need to stop being scared. I think that's what I need to do. But yeah, I just wanted to say why I haven't been trading as much, and I feel like there's been a lot of news lately. That's why I haven't been trading too. But yeah, I'm gonna start locking in again, and getting more trading recaps in, just posting more in general, just about like what's happening. Or and yeah, so see you guys when I trade next. Probably Friday, Thursday. I'll enter the markets at whenever I get home, and I'll seek out a trade. Hopefully, something pops up. But if nothing pops up, then you know what? Nothing pops up. So yeah, expect a trading recap on Friday,